The French joint operator of a Chinese nuclear plant near Hong Kong has said that the plant is dealing with a performance issue but is currently operating within safety limits following a report for a potential radioactive leak. Congress on Monday asked the Supreme Court to take cognizance of the allegations of land scam by the Ram Temple Trust in Ayodhya, calling it is a betrayal of faith. Fugitive diamond buyer Mehul Choksi failed to appear in magistrate's court in Russia on June 14 for the commencement of the trial against him over his illegal entry into the Caribbean country because he was suffering from mental stress and experienced high blood pressure, his lawyers informed the court. Disclosing that Beijing tried to dissuade Washington from forming the Quad with India, Japan and Australia, US President Joe Biden has outlined a two-front response to counter China and Russia, shoring up both Pacific and Atlantic partnerships during his ongoing trip to Europe. India is confident of its strategic deterrence capability. Will it get a greater punch with the ongoing induction of Agni-V missile and Rafale fighters as well as the commission of nuclear submarines INS Alright this year? In a contemporary version of the palace coups of yore, Lok Janshakti Party founder Ramvilas Paswan's brother and nephew combined to depose the lead Dalit leader Sanchirag Paswan as leader of the family outfit in Lok Sabha. Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot has indicated he is in no mood to bow under pressure for a cabinet reshuffle. An expansion A statement from the CM's office on Monday said doctors have advised Gehlot to avoid one-on-one meeting for a couple of months considering his post-COVID condition. The RBI has proposed to remove pricing restrictions for microfinance institutions in a report that reviewed regulations of the sector. As Benjamin Netanyahu stepped down after 12 years as PM, ending an era in Israeli politics as well as transforming relations with India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had among the closest friendship with Netanyahu, bade him a personal welfare. Sanjay Dutt Madhuri Dixit was one of the most loved on and off-screen pair in Bollywood. As they worked together in Sajan and Khalnayak, rumors of their love affairs starting doing rounds in the news column.